welcome to Yuri's Hockey Cards. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, a little bit special. Today is my birthday, so we're going to open up a special box. I'm going to do a random choice. So we got the Cup 1920 that I bought a while ago and been holding on to it. Series 2 2021. 17-18 CHL hockey or 17-18 Upper Deck Ice. So those are going to be the four choices. We got this random wheel selector picker thing. So I'm going to spin to eliminate and get this to work. Spin. Alright. So we're not going to do CHL. Spin again. We are not going to do ice. Alright, it's either going to be Series 2 or the Cup. It's interesting. See if it's the Cup. I was going to hold on to it. The price keeps going up. So I was like, I bought it for like $800. And we are going to do the Cup. Alright. That's really neat. I was going to save it. And maybe open it, maybe not. But it looks like I'm going to open it up. So I'll put these other ones away. We'll do them another day. But we are going to do the Cup, so I'm going to grab a little decoy. Alright, this is a little bit nerve-wracking. So I wasn't planning on, kind of was putting all those other ones in, hoping to get those, but we are going to do the Cup. So there's a lot of cool stuff in here. That you don't even like fully remember, but you know, everything in here is awesome. You're going to get like definitely autographs, rookie memorabilia. There's a bunch of stuff on the back that, you know. So, well, let's open it up. So there's a box, and then inside the box, there's a tin. Inside the tin, there's another box. So, tins are pretty cool, the box is cool, I keep all of it. So here's the tin. I'm going to open up the tin. Inside's a box. Inside the box there's some foam and I believe six cards. So yeah. I also ordered Black Diamond, and that got pushed back a little bit. It was supposed to come out tomorrow, or it's, I guess, yeah, the 31st. So I guess maybe next week will come. That was going to be my birthday. That was going to be my birthday. My birthday open. So basically there are just cards in here right away, so we're gonna open these up. Try not to spoil them too much. Alright. Try and get these out. Alright, there we go. They are some thick cards. Got some real thick in here. Cool. Alright. I believe the top card is usually like a base and the bottom is a base and then the stuff in the middle is the really neat stuff. So let's start with the first one. We've got a Bill Barber, all-time alum, 72 to 84. So let's... The first card. Numbered 79 out of 249. So the bases are all numbered out of 249, I believe. Alright, then we'll go to the bottom. We got a rookie masterpiece. Brady Keeper. It's like a printing plate or something? Yeah, this is a printing plate for Brady Keeper. You received an authentic printing plate. It's a 1 of 1. Brady Keeper Rookie Masterpiece. 1920 Ice Premieres Level 5 printing plate. That's cool. 1 of 1. Alright. Then we will do... Let's keep going from the bottom. Wow. Sergei Bobrovsky. 9 out of 49 foundations. 4 color. Wow. That is really cool. You can see why this thing costs so much money. That is really neat. Number 9 out of 49. Alright. Let's do the next one from the bottom. We have a James Van Riemsdyk Brilliance. It's like, that's an autograph. Gold autograph. Oh, man. I don't really like the Flyers, but that's really cool. This was autographed in the presence of representatives of Upper Deck. Left wing brilliance. James Van Riemsdyk's having a heck of a year. That's cool. Alright. We will save the fat one for last. This is the rookie patch. That's a neat patch. Look at that. It's a little corner. I think what of maybe... Yeah, I don't know what that is, but that's cool. This is a autographed Tobias Bjornfoot. That's a good autograph too. On card. Sweet patch. 166 out of 249. Alright. And then, this thing is thick. This is the thickest card I've ever seen in person. Holy schmolies. This is a Nick Suzuki button. Autographed. 1 out of 3 Nick Suzuki button. This thing is ginormous. Holy, wow. Speechless. Happy birthday to me. Well, that's cool that I opened this up and not sell it. Because that's, oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, a 1 of 1 printing plate, Brady Keeper. Button, Nick Suzuki, 1 of 3. Tobias Bjornfoot, that's a sweet looking patch, sweet autograph. 4 different colored, 4 patches, Sergei Bobrovsky, 9 out of 49. Not numbered, but still pretty sweet. I mean, this is sweet. Gold autograph. Brilliance. I don't know how many of these. Can't be that many of them out there. No words. Nothing. Can't say anything else. Wow. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I think I'll open up Series 2 next. I'm gonna go eat some cake. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.